Welcome to this complete São Miguel Azores travel guide. São Miguel, the largest island in the Portuguese archipelago of the Azores, is a place where Mother Nature has outdone herself. Nestled in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, this emerald green paradise offers a unique blend of dramatic landscapes, vibrant towns, and rich culture. From its volcanic origins to the lush vegetation, São Miguel is a haven for anyone with a sense of adventure. Today we're going to explore 10 must-see attractions on this enchanting island. From the mesmerizing Sete Cidades lakes to the fascinating Guarana tea plantation. From the serene hot springs of Furnas to the charming old town of Ponta Delgada. Each of these locations holds its own unique allure, promising an unforgettable experience. So, are you ready to uncover the magic of São Miguel? Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey to discover the charms of São Miguel Azores. First on our list is the stunning Sete Cidades lakes. An enchanting marvel of nature, these lakes are nestled within the crater of a dormant volcano, a testament to the island's volcanic origins. The magic of these lakes lies in their unique coloring. Yes, you heard it right, they are twins but not identical. One lake shimmers in blue, reflecting the sky above it, while the other, just a stone's throw away, glows in a mesmerizing green, mirroring the lush vegetation surrounding it. The locals attribute this fascinating phenomenon to a heartbreaking legend of two star-crossed lovers, a shepherd and a princess, who cried tears of blue and green as they said their final goodbyes. The lakes are a testament to their everlasting love. Whether you're a hopeless romantic or a thrill-seeking adventurer, the Sete Cidades lakes offer an experience unlike any other. Truly a sight to behold, Sete Cidades lakes is a nature lover's paradise. Moving on, we visit the breathtaking Lagoa do Fogo. This stunning natural wonder, whose name translates to Lake of Fire, is nestled in the crater of the Água de Pau massif stratovolcano. It's a sight to behold, with its azure waters contrasting vividly against the lush greenery of its surroundings. Lagoa do Fogo is not just a pretty face, though. It's a place of scientific significance, formed over 15,000 years ago during a volcanic eruption. The last eruption, dating back to the 16th century, sculpted the lake's current shape. Today, it's recognized as a nature reserve under the European Union's Natura 2000 initiative, owing to its unique flora and fauna. It's a sanctuary for native Azorean juniper, laurel and heather, and it's also home to a variety of bird species. So whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or just a fan of beautiful views, Lagoa do Fogo offers something for everyone. A visit to Lagoa do Fogo is like stepping into a postcard. Next, we find relaxation and rejuvenation at Furnas Hot Springs and Terra Nostra Park. Nestled in the heart of São Miguel, these geothermal gems are a testament to the island's volcanic origins. Furnas Hot Springs, a collection of natural pools, are heated directly from the Earth's fiery core. The mineral-rich waters are said to offer a plethora of health benefits, from soothing aching muscles to improving skin conditions. Now imagine slipping into these warm, therapeutic waters, surrounded by the lush green beauty of the Azores. A stone's throw away lies Terra Nostra Park. This botanical heaven is home to a diverse range of flora, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors. At its heart, you'll find a large geothermal pool, its waters a unique shade of rusty orange due to the rich iron content. So why not take a dip? It's like having a spa day, but with a twist of adventure. For those seeking a unique spa experience, these geothermal wonders are a must visit. Next up, we have the enchanting Caldera Vella and the Miradouro da Boca do Inferno. Caldera Vella, a geological reserve nestled in the heart of São Miguel, is an oasis of thermal waters and lush vegetation. Imagine taking a dip in warm, mineral-rich pools surrounded by a verdant, fern-filled forest. It's like stepping into a fairy tale, isn't it? Now, let's glide over to the Miradouro da Boca do Inferno, a viewpoint that's as dramatic as its name, which translates to viewpoint of the mouth of hell. But don't be fooled by the name, this place is heavenly. From here, you can behold the panoramic splendor of São Miguel's crater lakes, verdant hills and the mighty Atlantic Ocean. It's like watching nature's own theater. Each unique, each captivating Caldera Vella and Miradouro da Boca do Inferno are a testament to the diverse beauty of São Miguel. The sights, the sounds, the sheer magnificence of it all is a truly unforgettable spectacle. These two attractions are sure to leave you spellbound with their beauty. Our next stops are the Guariana Tea Plantation and Ribeira dos Caldeiros Natural Park. Nestled in the heart of São Miguel, the Guariana Tea Plantation is a sight to behold. With its roots stretching back to the late 19th century, it has the distinction of being the oldest and the only tea plantation in Europe. The plantation blooms with Camellia sinensis, the plant responsible for every warm cup of tea you've ever enjoyed. Here, they produce a wide variety of teas, from the delicate green tea to the robust black tea, each with its unique taste and aroma. Moving on, we find ourselves in the Ribeira dos Caldeiros Natural Park. This slice of paradise is known for its spectacular waterfalls, charming mills, and an abundance of flora. The park's lush greenery and the soothing sound of flowing water transport you to a world far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. These two destinations promise a serene and calming experience. Now, we dive into an adventure with whale and dolphin watching tours. In the deep azure Atlantic off the coast of São Miguel Azores lies an underwater theater where whales and dolphins are the stars. Imagine the thrill of seeing these majestic creatures in their natural habitat, the excitement as a whale breaches the surface or a school of dolphins playfully dart around your boat. But it's not just about the spectacle. It's a lesson in respect for our environment and the importance of responsible tourism. Here, tour operators adhere to strict guidelines to ensure that these magnificent creatures are not disturbed, maintaining a safe distance and limiting time spent in their vicinity. It's an experience that combines wonder, respect, and a dash of adrenaline, all against the backdrop of the breathtaking Azorean seascape. It's a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things and the need to preserve these natural wonders for generations to come. This is an unforgettable experience that highlights the natural wonders of São Miguel Azores. Finally, we end our tour in the charming Ponta Delgada Old Town. Steeped in history, this timeless gem is a symphony of cobbled streets, classic Portuguese architecture, and a vibrant culture that pulses through its veins. It's a place where the past and present dance in a harmonious ballet, creating an atmosphere that's both nostalgic and exciting. The architecture here is a visual feast, with buildings adorned in intricate azulejos, traditional painted ceramic tiles, and then there's the food. The local cuisine is a delicious testament to the island's rich culinary heritage. From fresh seafood to hearty stews, each dish is a gustatory journey you won't soon forget. Popping into the local shops, you'll find a range of unique crafts, from handmade ceramics to locally grown tea. It's a shopper's paradise with a hint of old-world charm. Ponta Delgada Old Town is the perfect place to soak in the local culture and end your trip to São Miguel Azores. That concludes our tour of São Miguel Azores. What a journey we've had. From the verdant landscapes of the Sete Cidades lakes to the fiery allure of Lagoa de Fogo, São Miguel Azores has left no stone unturned in fascinating us with its natural wonders. The lakes, a testament to nature's artistry, are a palette of blues and greens that could put the finest artist to shame. Lagoa do Fogo, on the other hand, is a captivating contrast, a fiery lake nestled amidst serene mountains. We then explored the Furnas Hot Springs and Terra Nostra Park, where the island's volcanic activity comes alive in a different form. The hot springs, a geothermal wonder, are like nature's own spa. In Terra Nostra Park, we found a piece of Eden, a botanical haven with a thermal pool at its heart. Our journey took an adventurous turn with the Guariana Tea Plantation and Ribeira dos Caldeiros Natural Park. The tea plantation, the oldest and only one in Europe, is a testament to the island's diverse agricultural richness. The natural park, with its waterfalls and windmills, is a journey back in time. We then embarked on a thrilling marine adventure with the whale and dolphin watching tours. The chance to see these majestic creatures in their natural habitat is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Finally, we step back in time to the charming Ponta Delgada Old Town. The beautiful architecture and the bustling marketplaces are a window into the island's rich history and culture. Each attraction, with its unique charm and allure, has made this journey a memorable one, From the verdant landscapes to the bustling town, from the geothermal wonders to the marine marvels, São Miguel Azores is truly a paradise for any travel enthusiast. São Miguel Azores is a treasure trove of nature, culture and adventure waiting to be discovered. Until next time, safe travels.